Hi everyone, welcome to English with Aga. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use indeed in English. Before we start, get your free grammar booklet from the video description and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. If you could like this video as well, I would really appreciate it. Thank you. So indeed is a very useful word in English. You can use it to add clarity, emphasis, and agreement to your sentences. So first, let's talk about emphasis. You can use indeed to emphasize that something is really true, to say that it definitely is true. We live in strange times indeed. So I have added indeed to emphasize that I really think that we live in strange times. I think it's really true. So compare we live in strange times indeed and we live in strange times. The first one is stronger because I emphasized that we definitely live in strange times. Are you seriously going to eat the whole cake? I am indeed. So what is the difference between saying I am going to eat the whole cake and I am indeed going to eat the whole cake? The difference is emphasis. So I want to emphasize that I will definitely do it. It is true. It is really true that I'm going to eat the whole cake by myself. And now look at these two. It's very cold. It's very cold indeed. Again, the sentence with indeed is stronger. I want to emphasize that it's really true, that it's very cold today. You can also use indeed to emphasize that something is correct and to confirm that it's correct. Yes, I did indeed say that. So I want to confirm that it is true, it is correct that I said something. I did indeed say that. Look at this example. Do you know what I mean? I do indeed. So what is the difference between just saying I do and I do indeed? Well, the difference is the emphasis. So when I say indeed, it means that I want to emphasize and confirm that I do, in fact, know what you mean. You can also use indeed to add some extra information to support what you're saying. Look at this example. I am happy, indeed proud, to be associated with this project. So I'm not just happy. I want to add some extra information. I'm not just happy, I am also proud. So this is something that supports what I'm saying. I'm happy, indeed proud. This idea is attractive to many men and indeed to many women. So I'm giving you some extra information that this idea is attractive not just to men but also to women. So I'm using indeed to add that extra information. We also often use indeed with very to add emphasis. For example, thank you very much indeed. So what's the difference between thank you very much and thank you very much indeed? Well, the second one is stronger. We really want to say we are grateful. We really appreciate something. So it's stronger than just saying thank you very much. We've added some emphasis. Thank you very much indeed. This is a very nice house indeed. Again, if you just say this is a very nice house, it's fine, but if you want to add emphasis and say you really, really like the house, you can just add indeed at the end. This is a very nice house indeed. The cake was very tasty indeed. It wasn't just tasty, it was very, very tasty. And I want to emphasize it. You will also often hear people say, yes, indeed, to confirm something. Do you know him? Yes, indeed. I definitely know him. I want to confirm that it's definitely true and to emphasize it. Are you hungry? Yes, indeed. Not just yes. I want to emphasize how hungry I am. Yes, indeed. Or you can shorten it and just reply indeed. Do you know him? Indeed. Now come up with your own example of a sentence using indeed and leave it in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to download your free English grammar booklet from the video description and like the video and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you next time. Bye.